In this video, I'll show you some of the AI features that you can use inside of your content editing experience, leveraged by the Dropsolid AI platform. I'm going to start with the AI assistant in the CKEditor window. Here you see in the CKEditor that we've added the AI assistant and we can use the generate with AI button. Let's say I click the button generate and you'll see that it's generating the response in here. Okay, that's already a nice article. There's a number of other things that you can do here. What you also need to know is that these have a specific prompting that you can configure already in advance. So it knows the tone of voice that your company, it knows the target audience of your company. So they can already generate it in your specific style. Then if you say, okay, I want to change this piece of text because I'd like to restructure it. Let me select all this, modify with a prompt, make it so. Again, when I click the button modify text, it will render the output in the response field here, which I can then save to the editor. Okay, so it's changed the content. There's other tools that you can use here, but I'm not going to show all of them. This is already really nice. Now I need to write a summary in this field and there's no CKEditor here. What I can do is I can use the content suggestions here on the right side to suggest me a summary. So I click on the summarize text, click on the summary button, and it will take all the fields into account and generate a summary specifically for you. Let's say I also want to suggest a title. And some taxonomy tags. Okay, that looks like a nice article. What you also see, there's this cool AI function button here. The moment I select the title field, I can click on it and it will suggest me a number of alternative titles for my article. I like this one best. Okay, so we already have a nicely filled article. I'm going to add an image to show you another AI feature that we've added into this page. I'm going to select an image. This one is too big. This one was also too big. Let me find a smaller one. Okay. You'll see that after uploading the image, the required alternative text will be automatically generated with AI. You can obviously still change it after, but it already gives you a starting point. There's already something there. Okay, I'm going to save this article, and what you'll see after saving, there's an automatic field. This is the next AI feature in what we can provide to you. This is called an automator, And this allows you to, for example, have automatic social media text creation or other automatic things enabled. In this case, I've prompted it, and I can show you the prompt. Auto field. I've prompted it to generate a short teaser for LinkedIn based on the body field. So after saving this article, it's now doing the AI call and generating the social media text for you. You'll see that here's a short teaser for LinkedIn. So you see it generated an AI, a LinkedIn teaser for this specific piece of content. Obviously, with automators, you can go much further. One example that I made with this is a resume importer. I added all of these resume fields, for example, name, function title, professional experiences, summary, and all of them use an automator. So the only thing that I need to do is point this piece of content to a URL that contains the resume. It will parse all of the content and it will fill in all of these fields for me. An example of this. I've pointed it to this URL, so you'll see this is the only expected required field. It parsed all of the content from the resume here, and it gives you all of these automatically. So I didn't fill this in manually. All of this is automatically. So my name, my function title, my summary, and all of my professional experiences are in a separate field. So you can do really cool migrations or automatic migrations with Automator like this.